All right, guys, sitting here at Lapeer Dragway, Lapeer, Michigan. Sitting here in my 1972 Plymouth Scamp. It's a 318 40 over comp extreme energy cam, Keith Black 167 pistons. It's 40 over, just swirl port heads, 302, 391 gear, 27-inch tires, drag radials, 670 4-barrel Holley, and that's about it. So we're just waiting for them to fix the lights, and then we're gonna make a pass. So let's see what's going on here. We just bumped up the timing from 36 to 38, and we're gonna let it rip. So stay tuned.